Bitcoin, the long-awaited short of June the 1st. What's going on in the cryptosphere? You wanna know why we are expecting this? Yes, then smash that like button, cause it's time for crypto news fun on the right crypto at topic. Today, the headlines: Bitcoin smashes through $28,000 and reveals a stunning pattern. On the other hand, Hong Kong jumps into the crypto world on June 1st, and United States changes the game with a historic increase in debt. Those are the most important topics today in the cryptosphere. We told you about some of them in last video, so do not miss that out. We told you in Spanish and in English that Bitcoin was in a crucial point, and it's indeed. Remember the Bollinger Bands and how we expected a movement, and we had it, and it was a positive one. We managed to hold on this point. We created a double bottom there. So finally, we are going higher, and the lines of $25,000 and $20,000 has to wait if we are going to go there anytime, any case. So the most important thing maybe for the cryptosphere is that Hong Kong, one of the top 10 wealthiest cities in the world, is getting into crypto as of June the 1st. So remember that in Hong Kong, we have all these crazy millionaires. It's more than 129,500 millionaires, 290 centimillionaires, and 32 billionaires. I have no clue how much money all this together combines, but also remember that the Hong Kong stock market is one of the most important stock exchanges in the world. So maybe crypto will be soon as well. Crazy stuff coming there, but more crazy stuff coming from United States. We go back above $28,000 cause of debt ceiling talks. Remember that we had this debt in United States, but it's okay because politicians can decide that they don't have to pay their debts. They can just increase the ceiling for that debt, and we are okay. So the markets reacted in a positively way because of this piece of information. Remember, as for June the 1st, again, a very important date. Maybe United States can be in bankruptcy if this is not finally approved, but they are talking and they are going to approve it. One good thing for this deal, if this is not fake news, you never know anymore, is that now we will not have the 30% tax on electricity for crypto miners. So that's a good thing coming from all this. And remember, we told you the topic in last video about the fever for crypto coming from Asia, from China. And remember, NEO, it was a very, very important cryptocurrency in 2017. We were all FOMOing there, and now being one of the most important for the week because of this new fever. Remember, we told you in last video, watch it, and here you have the chart of the 14 last days for NEO going up. This is the all-time chart for NEO. We'll see if we have our money back here in logarithmic. And what I think I must do is to go there and see if I'm staking it there, because I think that I forget about it and it can be creating some money for me, and I'm not taking that opportunity right now. Here you can see the chart and decide if we are going to new heights, maybe to 95. That would be a very good rise for NEO. Or maybe you believe this is some hype and we are going down to these lines coinciding with previous lows and previous lows in the past. We'll see about that. Any case, we had a very good information about the PCE index in United States. So that means that maybe the financial crisis is not as bad as we expected, or they're lying to us. And Bitcoin, as I was telling you at the beginning of the video, creating this double bottom. And if this is true, well, remember that that means that we have to go higher according to technical analysis. If you want to do that, go to the link in the description. You have a discount there using TradingView Pro. It's free if you want to bear with publicity, etc. And if you have the paid versions, you can use these patterns, and there you can see that it's created. This is automatically created if you go here and go to technicals and click on patterns. So if this is true, we are going to go to $30,000 approximately. We'll see about that. Of course, again, it depends on dollar, which is going down the last couple of days. That's why Bitcoin is rising. Also, the stock market crazy up on Friday due to all this good information. But Asian market today went down and then up. So we'll see about that. Here you can compare some technological indexes with Bitcoin, with crypto. And you can see that Nikkei and Nasdaq are performing better than crypto. So maybe it's time for us right now. Maybe as stock money lizards is telling us here, we just have a C in front of us with tides, lows, and high. You can see crypto's dead, crypto's dead, crypto's dead, and then an all-time high, an all-time high, an all-time high. And we expect the next all-time high in 1,450 days since the last one. That would be September 2025. Where do we sign that? You have to consider that some of the most non-believers crypto guys, Peter Schiff, he just entered into the crypto world now with ordinals. He created an NFT there. He's selling it because he wants to make money. So it's a shame for the community and for himself. All crypto Twitter, well, saying bad stuff about Peter Schiff. And I believe too that you have a lot to go now and promote ordinals on Bitcoin. But anyway, this is it. Also, maybe you want a cold wallet, but you want it to be a Game Boy. Well, now there's a company with all these fiascos and etc. coming out and saying, well, we are a Game Boy just turned into a cold wallet. So maybe that's the solution for you. And what about Dubai? Well, we are going to have there a 40-story Bitcoin tower hotel. Everything related with Bitcoin. Very, very good thing there. And very good thing also from our partners on Bitbase. Thank you very much for supporting Crypto News FunOntheRide. And they are going to have finally an ATM in Pamplona. Remember, San Fermin Festival. So if you are in one of my favorite places in Spain, well, you can go now to Centro Comercial Avenida, and there you can buy and sell some crypto. Congratulations and thank you to Bitbase. Follow them on social media, and also visit bitbase.es, where you can buy and sell crypto, and where you will know where they have their shops, their stores, and the ATMs all over Spain, Portugal, and Paraguay too. And from Paraguay to Uruguay, we have there this CrossFit place, and they are accepting Bitcoin. So thank you very much for that. Satoshi CrossFit, one CrossFit center at a time. The market in the green, the bubbles, don't touch them in the green too. And here the crypto proof telling us that maybe for altcoins, we are in this mid-correction right now, as we had it in 2016. So if this is true, then we might have a parabolic curve now, as we had it in 2017. So the idea here is that we should accumulate some altcoins, maybe NEO, who knows, in order to take advantage in the next parabolic curve. What do you think about that? Leave a comment below. Those are the most important ones, mostly in the green. And Ethereum was also in a critical point and now bouncing back, and we broke the 1,900 line, which is so cool. We are getting closer to the $2,000 line. And there's Van Eck. They move a lot of money, and they believe that if Ethereum keeps on doing the good job they're doing, they might be as high as $51,000 by 2030. Also true that if it's not the dominant crypto for DeFi, etc., they believe they will be around 343 by 2030. So what do you think is going to be 51,000 or 300 for Ethereum in some time? And what about the meme coins? Well, we have some of them raising like Baby Dogecoin, but some of them going down like Pepe right now as we record. And I believe that if you want to take the opportunity for Pepe, we are almost there. We can go lower for sure to this line, even lower. But if you want to take advantage of the next spam, maybe this is the moment. I'm not buying it. I'm not telling you this is a good idea whatsoever. This is not financial advice. But maybe if we had a turnaround of the market, this will be a good point to accumulate a little bit of Pepe every day. Who knows? Maybe Pepe will give us a Lambo in the future. Or maybe we'll lost everything. Remember to invest, not to gamble. We have some concerns in the market, even though we are neutral. Those come from Europe. The European Commission is presenting a regulatory framework for digital euro in June. The idea is that we will have a digital euro, a CBDC in 3-4 years. So we'll see about that. In the article here, they tell you that it's okay for your privacy because you will be, of course, the owner of your money, etc. But who believes them anymore? Litecoin is not going above the $100 right now, and we have just 2 more weeks if we are comparing the situation right now with the past 2 halvings. Remember, we have a video about this in our channel. Watch it. And we are not following that rise, but we want still 2 more weeks for that opportunity according with what happened in the past. In the DeFi ecosystem, as always, between $40 and $50 billion. And we had an exploit on Jimbo's protocol. So if you are there, they're trying to revive it. But we'll see they lost $7.3 million in just one day. And again, we always tell you to be concerned, to be worried about scammers out there. And we had one, it was able of going to a Twitter account from Sand CEO, Sandbox, and posted a fake airdrop. So again, never trust an airdrop or anything like that, even if it comes from an official site. And talking about airdrops, Chico Crypto is so confident that we are going to have soon enough 2 airdrops to Layer 0 and CK Sync. He believes, in the last video, he tells us that the snapshot is not done and you still have time. So if you want to know more about this, go to Chico Crypto's channel and watch last video. And what about adoption coming from gaming? Maybe Grand Theft Auto GTA 6 is going to incorporate a play-to-earn model featuring crypto. Some believe they will, some believe they don't. What do you think about that? And now about AI. Today we have this new technology. This is how you have to record videos now, and let's watch the results. So yeah, if you do this, just remember to turn the camera. Do not record yourself. Probably you wasn't expecting this. And what about crypto and AI? Well, JP Morgan has created its own ChatGPT. We told you about this in AI News. Follow us in Twitter. And they will give you investment recommendations. So we'll see how the law will think about this. I don't believe they will like this at all. And remember that I don't believe that non-AI can right now tell you what to buy, what to sell with accuracy. Also, how are houses going to be in 2050? Well, according to AI, we have here some pictures. Maybe we will have holograms of some cooks in order to create our meals. Of course, houses will be allegedly prepared for hotter conditions. Everything will be allegedly eventually a screen there, and you'll see that entertainment is a very important concern in the future. Also, in the same place, you can have different spaces. They can turn the light, and you will have different feelings according maybe with your mood. This might be a condo. There you won't hurt your neighbors, everything isolated. And yeah, here more possibilities for that future where we have our own electricity. We depend on no one. We have our own food and vegetables there. So what do you think about this? Do you think this is true? Do you think this is dystopic or utopic? Tell us in our comments below section. Thank you very much, and beware of the bear that maybe is just waking up after a long hibernation period. So maybe you believe today is a tough Monday for you. Well, picture how tough is for this bear. And maybe you feel like a cat turtle, like this one. So funny. Cats today, and a lot of them just tired about all this news and AI and etc. So if you feel like that, you can go and rest, but maybe you feel like this, you feel pretty handsome resting, but remember, reality might be this one and not what you believe. What about this guy resting in the chair, so happy? Do that maybe in a futuristic chair like this one, looking a lot like the godfather of the cats. A little bit scary, this one. And what about the dogs? The dogs are sleepy too, like this guy. Look at the neck. He can't stand it anymore. It's a lot of information, Rodri. I can't bear with it. Hold on there, little guy, as this one is just so sleep right now. Okay, let's go and rest for today. If you want to learn Spanish, you have this very same video in our international and in our primary channel, Fun on the Ride. If you want more in our international channel, Fun on the Ride Crypto, just wait to next show here in Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come, and crypto a tope. To the moon!